Hello, guys. Yesterday we were with this worksheet. We did this exercise and or notebook. Remember, you have to put the date on your notebook. Yesterday was Tuesday, 7th of June, 2022. Okay, so let's go with the first activity, activity number one, and we have this exercise where we have to circle the short O words and underline the long sound of the double O words, then listen and check. Okay, but we have to circle, otra vez, circle the short sound of that double O words and underline. Remember what is underline? The long double O sound words. Okay, so here we go. Listen up and you decide circle or underline.
Track 70. Circle the short OO words and underline the long OO words. Then listen and check. 1,
Cook,
2,
food,
3,
moon,
4,
good,
5,
wood,
6,
boot.
Okay, so you decide on which one is short and which one is long. Okay, now we have the second exercise is the activity number 2, and with this one we write it down, example number 1 and example number 2. We write it down on our notebook, and at the end, okay, we have to level the chance if it is long or if it is short. Okay, that's why we have this line here. That way we can put if it is long or short. So let's go ahead and write this down, both of them. That way we can label them. So vamos a escucharlo. Listen up.
Track 71. Listen, read, and sing. Label the chants long or short. 1. I go to school on the moon. The moon bus goes too fast. We eat our food on the moon. We wear moon boots to play ball. 2. Take a look in a book. Read a story or two. It's good to learn about something new.
Okay, now you have to decide which one is long, which one is short sounded. Okay, now the last exercise, we did this one. We have to follow the sequence. See that? Dice what comes next, que sigue. Ok, entonces, creo que no salió. Ok, ahorita se los pongo. Ahí está. Write words with correct sound. So look at this. Book, look, food, good, wood, zoo, cook. What's next? ¿Cuáles son las dos que siguen? Okay, remember, you have to follow this sequence. Book, look, food, good, wood, zoo, cook. Okay, now that's the end of this exercise. We did all this work, and remember, we have to practice our spelling. Some of you, algunos de ustedes ya me lo dijeron, algunas palabras que les dejé por ahí en classroom, but we need to keep practicing, okay, because we are going to have that contest. So if you wanna to participate in it, We need to practice the spelling, ¿ok? Vamos a practicarlo porque si quieren estar en ese pequeño demostración de spelling, pues lo pueden hacer, pero hay que practicarlo para que nos salga muy bien. Así que vamos a hacerlo. Nos vemos al ratito. Today is Wednesday. Sorry porque no les pude poner el video ayer, pero aquí está. Así que nos vemos en un momento. See you later, guys. Bye, bye.